I'm going to tell you about how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing. I mean, do you have issues getting customers or clients to your offer? Then you have to listen to this video all the way through. You're also going to receive a gift at the end, so you're going to want to stay around. So, if this is one of your first times watching my videos, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to learn more info on stuff like TikTok marketing. I also teach affiliate marketing and, of course, YouTube. All right, how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing. Okay, I have a little slideshow to show you. All right, selling someone else's products and then you get a percentage. Pretty much sums it up for affiliate marketing. The good thing about it is you don't have to deal with all the back end stuff. You don't have to deal with all of the sales calls, any returns, any complaints, anything like that. You just sell the product and you get your commission. They get a percentage. Bingo, you're done. Pretty easy, right? Okay. Before I get into all of the whole TikTok juice, you have to have a landing page. Send them to a landing page. Okay? You have to find products that you want to promote that's in your niche. Okay? So here is, I use DropFunnels. A lot of people use ClickFunnels, but DropFunnels is cheaper, it's faster, and it's unlimited funnels. You know what? For kicks and giggles, I will go ahead and put a link at the top for a review of DropFunnels. I like it. Anyways, this is the one that's I have a $1 course for TikTok. It's like amazingly awesome. And it is $1. But this is the landing page. And the reason why I have this landing page is because if you put your name and your email address, then you get on my list. And then it'll go to the next step. But anytime you're doing affiliate marketing, you always want to get the information, mostly the email. If you can get their first name, that's great. Okay, got that? Okay, this is what I was talking about by the email. You can still have your business if you do affiliate marketing, okay? But your main goal should be to grow your email list because you own that, okay? You own that. Okay? You say you do YouTube videos. I don't own YouTube. They can cancel all my stuff all the time. Say I'm in Facebook jail. As long as I still have my email list, because I own it, I can still reach out to my customers or the clients or whatever it is, your traffic. Okay? So that is very, very important. So that's the whole purpose of having a funnel, because a lot of people says, well, you don't need funnels, and you really don't. But then how are you going to get, and the main purpose of a funnel really is to get the email address. Okay? Because, oh my gosh, I could make a whole video on how much you make money off of your email list. So you have your funnel, and the first page is for your to pull in the customer's name and email address. Okay. I have Active Campaign and Aweber on here because I truly believe they are the two best, and they're the two best for the price. Active Campaign is actually cheaper. I started off with Aweber. I'll be honest, I think Aweber is a little easier, but oh my gosh, if I was to do it all over from the beginning, I would have did Active Campaign, because then when you got so into Aweber and then you move everything over, it's kind of a pain in the butt. But also, if I could have learned how everything was with Active Campaign, then it wouldn't have been as hard, and I would have got used to the lingo, because the lingo is a little different on both of them. But those are my two favorite. And just while we're here, kicks and giggles, I'll go ahead and put those links down below. They will be for affiliate, because I'm an affiliate. But anyone that signs up, I always give like 500 emails, and you have access to all of my email stuff. And as I buy anything that has to do with email, I still send it all to all of the people that sign up underneath me. FYI. Okay. You got that? That's pretty important. Okay. You have to start. This is a huge problem. It was a huge problem for me too. So, okay. My main affiliate offer is a private one, but there is still JVZoo, ClickBank, ShareASale, and Max Bounty. All great places to go. ClickBank is probably the most popular, not always the best. I really don't use a lot of these places, but again, you have to start somewhere. And don't be scared, because I was too. Just jump in, both feet forward, and do it. Okay? Let's just use ClickBank for example. You sign up for ClickBank and you go in it, you get your link, okay? Then you're wondering what you're going to do with your link, okay? Well, most funnels, there's 2 pages. One is your landing page that I was telling you about, and then you have your sales page, okay? And if you want me to make you videos specifically on any of these, I will. I started to go ahead and include them in here so you could show you, but I mean, you might already know how to do ClickBank or JVZoo, and I didn't want to waste your time. So just leave me a link leave me a comment down below, let me know. Have a bridge page or add a video to the sales page, okay? And I'm telling you this first because this is really important. So if you do a bridge page, what a bridge page is, because this was so confusing to me at the beginning. Okay, you have your landing page. So what's the first to get your email address? I repeated that several times so you understand that. A bridge page is basically a video, I've definitely used a video that tells you basically what's coming next. So they know. See, they're like, boom, where did this come from? So it has your bridge page with your video. This is an example of one of mine. And I'm telling what you're fixing to see, what's fixing to happen. And it's also good because it helps them get to know you. It helps them see who you are and that you're a real person too. Video is key to connecting with people. When you have video, you see, okay, I have a YouTube channel because I want people to connect to me. I want people to reach out and comment, to talk to me. You can't just have that if you don't have video, because just text. It's one of the things I hate about Facebook, because Facebook people hardly use video. And with just text, it's hard for people to read or see exactly who you are. Like there's a lot of time, half the time I'm talking, I have humor. But you never would know it just by reading my text. So video is key to connecting with people. And I always say, I teach video and affiliate marketing because no matter what business you're in, you could always use affiliate marketing and video in your business, okay? Okay, and then 3, it also gives you a way to explain what is coming. And that's what I was telling you about. So say you have, your sales page, and this was actually on a sales page, and this is how I've started doing it. So when you just have a bridge page, so you have the beginning, and then you have a bridge page, and you have a sales page. So what I've been doing is on my sales page, and I've been doing this for probably about a year now, is I just put the video at the top of the sales page, because I learned from several friends that do email marketing that the more clicks, the more people are going to walk away. They're more likely to walk away. So if you can still keep it a 2-step funnel without adding the third for the bridge page, the better. Okay? Little good tip there. So if you can, put your video at the top and just put it on the sales page. And then you can say, hey, I'm explaining to you down below, not the next page. Make sense? All right. Sign up for a pro account so you can get access to analytics. Okay? I had signed up a long time ago on TikTok for analytics, but I didn't do anything with it. And I was looking at it, not too long ago, because I just a tiny backstory. I was one of the first to get on TikTok with a lot of people, and I I just quit and started back recently. But I mean, I love it. I've always loved it. I just was so concentrated on YouTube that I walked away. But anyways, but I was stupid. I'm telling you how stupid I am, so you won't make that mistake. But then I looked at it a while back, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. I signed up for it, never did anything with it. So look, my point is to look at your analytics. It's really easy. 1, go to your profile page, open privacy and settings. 2, choose manage my account. And 3, you're there. Heck yeah. And I double checked it that it's still that way, and it still is. Set up your profile. Okay. For an example, here is mine. I have want to learn how to make money online, then check out my YouTube channel. And I'm pointing up, and use emojis. I'm pointing up to my YouTube channel. I'm showing money. I only have 692 because I quit, and you have to have 1,000 followers to have a link. The only thing I can think of is I used to have 1,000 because I quit for like a long time. So what this is though, this one goes just directly to my blog, to my official website, and you can do it that way. I just changed it because I was going to do like a legendary marketer because I promote that. I really believe in it. But I'm doing where you can have several different links. So until I do that, I just left it at shellyhopkins.com, because on your main website, I'm assuming, like on mine, I have everything. I have DropFunnels on there. It tells about Legendary Marketer, all the products with Legendary Marketer, and stuff like that. So if they click on that, they can see everything else, kind of like the link tree, which I'm gonna do the link tree, or do it in DropFunnels and add it on here, which that's something else you can do too. And I don't have that on this slideshow. Is when you do the link tree, or just create it in your funnel, all you gotta do is just add your little links in. Is they can go to your Instagram account, or your YouTube account, or they can do several of your offers. So they click on one link, and then you have several different offers. Pretty smart, right? Try to post around 2 a day. Whatever you feel like doing. If it feels stressful or too much, then only do what you can, because you don't want to get burned. You don't want to burn yourself out. And the reason why I say that is because, for one, consistency is key in almost any platform, especially that has to do with video, from what I have seen. So in YouTube, this is a great example. I used to do 3 videos a week, and then I went to 2, and then I started in most awesome, like the best YouTube course in the world, and I wanted to be able to spend time on that. So now I'm just doing, right at the moment, 1 video a week. It'll go back to 2. It'll never go to 3, because I learned you squishes yourself. Long story short. So you want to do what you can. That's my point. I knew by taking this other course and everything else going on, I would only be able to post once a week. So that's what I do. So I try to do on TikTok now, I try to do 2 videos a day, because that's going to be my goal. I mean, I know a friend that says he does at least 10. There's another guy I was watching the other day. He does 20. So if you want TikTok to be your main thing, which is a great thing, it's fun, it's awesome, then post as much as you want. But I would say try to do 2 a day. And then, if you do 2 a day for a week, move it up to 3 a day. But you don't want to do like I did. So that's what I'm trying to teach you to learn from my mistakes, is because in the beginning, I just got burned out. I mean, I had tons of fun. Me and my daughter is all over my TikTok. We had so much fun. But I did it all the time. And I got to the point that, I was like, my daughter's like, don't you want to do a TikTok? No. So don't do that. Don't do that. Hey, if you like this, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give me a like. It helps me and the algorithm. And also, I put this here because I'll put it down in the comments as well. But feel free to go ahead and put your TikTok link down below. And I for sure will follow you. And everybody else watching this, follow everybody else, because I for sure will. But if you'll follow everybody else, it's going to get you a whole bunch of more followers. And I don't mind if you use my comments to do that, because we want to help each other out, right? So I'm Shelly Hopkins _ what? Okay. Here's some great tips. Okay. wake them up and get their attention. Okay? Some of these also are tips that I learned from the dollar course. I've learned a lot of stuff. I just never have implemented them till recently. Okay, wake them up, get their attention. Use headlines, curiosity, shock them. You know, you see some of these people that you're like, I gotta see that. And here, there was an example of mine. I think that was one. It did pretty good. I think that's the teenage one. I can't see it. It's cut it off. But it says like teenagers bank on the side. I'm not for sure. But so you're like, can you? I don't know. Can I? Let me see. Okay. Use curiosity. Like I said, you know, if you wonder what's going on, or just freaking shock the heck out of them. Then you have the meat and potatoes. So teach them something. You know, I try to do a little bit of everything. Be silly. I got that one down. Tell part of a YouTube video. I do all of these. So I'll teach something. If I have a YouTube video, what I've started doing too is I'm letting TikTok see the video before anybody else. So like I'll tell them parts, or tell them it's going to be coming out, or I'll post it and I'll let them know before I let anybody else know. I'll let TikTok know, hey, go check out my full video because it's up in the bio. So that's something else. You can say, we'll get to that. Okay. And then tell about you or what you do. So people get curious and they want to know who you are and what you do. Tell them, okay? Seriously, tell them. Call to action. Like, comment, follow a link, go to my YouTube channel, hit the add button, and link in bio. So I have seen this done several different ways, and I try to do it a bunch of different ways. I also used to say, go to the comments and my link, I have a chihuahua, and the link is in the comments, but I noticed you can't do that anymore. But what you can do is create a short link and just you can just put it up there and say, link is on the screen. You can do that. You can do something like, because you don't want to tell them to do a whole bunch of different stuff, and you don't want to tell in each video to do the exact same thing all the time. And you can say, give you a like. You can say to comment. You can say follow a link. Like I was saying, go to my YouTube channel, because you can do YouTube or Instagram. I have YouTube. You can say hit the add button, because that way they're just that little plus button. It's called an add button. Just tell them to hit it. Or you can tell them, go to my bio. Links in my bio. I hear that one a bunch. So those are some different call to actions that you can do. And again, mix them all up. Make it, don't make it boring. And that's something else too. So if you're basically doing it more for your marketing, then do those videos. But no one wants to see nothing but that. They want to see funny stuff. I mean, it's TikTok. They want to see funny stuff too. And they want to see, again, who you are, what you're about. So do a little bit of, that's my fingers. Do a little bit of everything and kind of mix it all up. So say you do 3, affiliate marketing videos, and then add something else. Make it cool, make it fun. Okay, if you like that, do me a favor and give me a like on this video. You just learned how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to give you the free gift that I told you I would give you. I think that you can use. You're going to love it. There's also a TikTok course for $1. All down in the description. All right. Also, if you would like a copy of the slideshow, just leave me a message. Well, all right. If you subscribed, I appreciate it. If you like this video, then you should really check out this one. I think it's this one. Okay.